Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your personal informations in the Trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the top of the page, click on the edit personal information button. And as you can see, you can set several user details like your first name and middle name, your last name. You can set your gender, your date of birth, and your country or region. Also your city of residence, and you can also set some frequently visited cities that you can save for later. And once you filled everything, just click on the save button and your personal information is updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.